I told you that you could make money online simply by copying and pasting links? Yes, you heard that right. With a simple beginner-friendly AI tools, you can leverage trendy Google News stories or viral YouTube videos to generate income online. The best part, you don't need to show your face or use your voice. Just follow this straightforward strategy that even a 12 years old child could execute. Now, I know this might sound too good to be truth, but stick with me because I'm about to break it down step by step. Before diving into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about why trendy content is the key to success. Trendy topics and viral video explode in popularity because they align with what people are actively searching for. Now, let's get started proper. To start, you need two main sources to get traffic content. And these sources are viral YouTube videos and trendy Google News articles. Go to YouTube and search for popular faceless YouTube channels. Choose a niche that is profitable, like educational content, since it earns higher ads revenue. Example, TEDx, an educational channel with over 21 million subscribers. Navigate to video tabs, then select popular to find their most viral videos. Pick a video with at least 1 million views, then copy the URL. For the second method, finding trendy Google News articles. Go to Google News and browse categories like business, sports, or even technology. Find an article that is currently trending. Then copy the URL, but not the entire content. Now that you have your viral videos or trendy articles ready, now let's move to the next step. Now that you have your viral content, we will use InVideo AI to create a professional quality video in minutes. No editing skills required. To do that, go to your Google search and type InVideo AI. Click on it and sign up for an account if you are new to this AI tool. After all is set, on the home page, click on Create AI Video. Then enter this prompt. Create a 2-minute animated YouTube video using this video link. Then paste the link. Then click on Generate Video. InVideo AI will automatically create a unique animated version of the original viral video using generative media. Now, let's quickly practicalize what we have just agreed on. Just watch the screen and see the magic. First, we're going to start by taking a link from YouTube video. For instance, we're making use of this very particular video here. Let's check for one of the most popular video here. Guys, I must not forget to tell you that it's not obligatory that you must make it an animated style. It depends on what you want. You could also ask InVideo AI to make it a realistic style. But I'm making use of the animated style because this kind of video grabs attention and keeps your viewers hooked. So let's take the link of this very particular video here. What makes muscles grow? Copy the link of the video like this. Come to InVideo AI. Click on Create AI Video. So I'm just going to type in Create a minute cartoon animated style video using this link for a YouTube video. Just going to paste the link here. And then click on Create a Video and wait. Okay guys, finally our video is ready. Now let's click on the play button to watch the amazing results.
Ready to flex those brain muscles? Let's unravel the mystery of muscle growth. When you lift weights or do resistance exercises, your brain sends signals to your muscles to contract and relax, creating movement. But here's where it gets interesting. As you push harder, your muscles experience tiny damages. Don't worry, it's a good thing. These little tears release cytokines, signaling your immune system to repair and strengthen your muscles. Think of it like fixing a road. Every repair makes it stronger. For ultimate muscle growth, you need a few key ingredients. Progressive overload, which means gradually increasing the weight or resistance. Protein-rich foods to provide amino acids the building blocks for muscles, and of course, rest because your muscles grow while you sleep. And remember, hormones and genetics play their part too. So whether you're lifting at the gym or just carrying groceries, your body's working hard to make you stronger. Got it? Now go out there and get those gains. Like and subscribe for more cool biology breakdowns.
Okay, guys, if you're making use of the Google Trend, same process. As you can see here, there are different categories. We have local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and many more. For instance, let's copy the link of this very particular news from CNN. It was posted about 25 minutes ago. As at the time that I'm recording this video, this news was just posted about 25 minutes ago. Top Russian and US official discourse, improving ties and ending the Ukraine war. Okay, for instance, let's take the link of this very particular news here. Click on this three dots button here, and then come here where you have the share button, click on it, and copy the link like this. Then go to your InVideo AI. Same process, click on the Create AI video and type in your prompt there, what you want the AI to do for you. In this case, let me just type something like create a YouTube news video using this link. Then I'm just going to paste the link here, as simple as this. And then click on the generate a video and wait as usual. Okay guys, after waiting for about 30 seconds, finally our video is ready. Now, let's click on the play button to see the amazing result.
The Riyadh talks, a diplomatic overture. The world watched with bated breath as high-ranking officials from the United States and Russia convened in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia on February 18, 2025. This high-stakes meeting, held against the backdrop of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, aimed to explore avenues for rapprochement between the two global powers. The talks, while preliminary in nature, carried significant weight, signaling a potential thaw in the icy relations that have characterized U.S.-Russia interactions in recent years. The very fact that these talks took place is noteworthy. It suggests a willingness on both sides to engage in dialogue, even as the conflict in Ukraine continues to cast a long shadow. The choice of Riyadh as the venue added another layer of intrigue, highlighting Saudi Arabia's growing influence on the global stage and its ambition to play a more active role in mediating international disputes. The talks were shrouded in secrecy, with few details emerging about the specifics of the discussions. However, the fact that they occurred at all is a glimmer of hope in what has been a very dark period in U.S.-Russia relations. The world waits to see if these initial talks can be translated into concrete steps towards peace. The Riyadh meeting saw a convergence of prominent figures in international diplomacy. Representing the United States were Secretary of State Marco Rubio, National Security Advisor Mike Waltz, and Middle East envoy Steve Witkoff. The Russian delegation was led by Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, accompanied by Yuri Ushakov, Foreign Policy Advisor to President Vladimir Putin. Notably present was Kirill Dmitriev, head of the Russian Direct Investment Fund, underscoring the potential economic dimensions of the discussions. Saudi Arabia, as host, played a pivotal role in facilitating the talks. Saudi Foreign Minister Prince Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud and National Security Advisor Mossad bin Mohammed Al Aiban were key figures in orchestrating the meeting. Their presence underscored Saudi Arabia's strategic positioning in the current geopolitical landscape. Conspicuously absent from the Riyadh talks were any representatives from Ukraine. This omission raised eyebrows and fueled anxieties in Kyiv, with Ukrainian officials expressing concerns about being sidelined in discussions directly impacting their nation's fate. President Zelensky, in a pointed statement, reiterated Ukraine's stance that any agreement reached without their direct involvement would be deemed unacceptable. The Riyadh meeting has been interpreted by some analysts as indicative of a broader shift in U.S. foreign policy under President Trump. Trump, known for his unconventional approach to international relations, has repeatedly expressed a desire to improve relations with Russia, a stark contrast to the more confrontational stance adopted by his predecessor. This shift towards engagement, however, has been met with a mix of apprehension and cautious optimism. Critics argue that it risks emboldening Russia and undermining U.S. credibility on the world stage. They point to Russia's annexation of Crimea and its continued support for separatists in eastern Ukraine as evidence that Moscow cannot be trusted. Proponents of Trump's approach, on the other hand, argue that dialogue is essential, even with adversaries. They maintain that the U.S. cannot afford to isolate Russia, a major nuclear power, and that finding common ground is crucial for addressing global challenges such as terrorism and climate change. The Riyadh talks, while a significant development, represent just the first tentative steps on what promises to be a long and arduous road. The U.S., in the aftermath of the meeting, outlined three main goals: restoring staffing levels at U.S. and Russian embassies, establishing a high-level team to support Ukraine peace talks, and exploring avenues for closer economic cooperation. Russia, while acknowledging the discussions, struck a more cautious tone. While acknowledging discussions about closer positions, Russia stated it was hard to say if the country's stances were actually converging. They emphasized the need to consider European security issues for a lasting Ukraine settlement. Despite the diplomatic efforts, the situation on the ground in Ukraine remains volatile. The recent drone attack serves as a stark reminder that the conflict is far from over. The road to peace in Ukraine is fraught with obstacles, and it remains to be seen whether the diplomatic momentum generated by the Riyadh talks can be sustained.
Have you seen the magic? Wow, this is amazing! The AI ensures that your video is unique and avoid copyright issues. It automatically adds voiceovers, animations, and visuals. You can edit the videos to tweak the voice, background music, or voiceovers. Now guys, if you have watched this video to this very point so far, it means you are really interested in making money online. Please don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button and put on notification bell to get more amazing content like this. God bless you as you do that. With that said, let's continue. Once your video is generated, click on download. Then you can upload it to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. By so doing consistently, you can monetize it with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or brand deals. I must not also forget to tell you that it is possible to clone your voice. With InVideo AI, you can actually clone your voice. You can actually clone your own voice so that your video sounds more personal without recording anything yourself. This simple copy and paste strategy is an absolute game changer for making money online with minimal efforts, just with ease. Whether you are leveraging viral YouTube videos or trendy Google News articles, InVideo AI does the hard work for you. And that's all. Finally, we have come to the end of this video. Now, if you find this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and leave your opinion below. Thanks so much for watching. Looking forward to always see you here again. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.